Hello everyone and welcome to this video about Italy. A country famous for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and mouth-watering cuisine. Italy is a country that has captivated people for centuries with its rich history and beautiful architecture. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the medieval streets of Florence, Italy has a rich cultural heritage that is sure to impress. And let's not forget about the food. Italian cuisine is renowned around the world for its fresh ingredients, simple recipes, and bold flavors. From the classic margherita pizza to the creamy carbonara pasta, Italian food is an absolute delight for your taste buds. But Italy is not just about history and food. The country is also home to some of the world's most beautiful beaches and countryside. From the stunning Amalfi Coast to the rolling hills of Tuscany, Italy is a feast for the eyes. And finally, Italy is a country where life is meant to be enjoyed. Italians have a zest for life that is contagious. And whether you're sipping a cappuccino in a cozy cafe or strolling through a vibrant piazza, you can't help but feel the energy and passion that permeate every aspect of Italian life. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Italy. I hope this video has inspired you to visit this beautiful country and experience all it has to offer. If you've visited Italy before, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel content. Thanks for watching.